Dear friends, I have a special liking for this equipment. Because I have worked in a German company for 8 years. This German company has been making sliding table saws for more than 100 years. What about the sliding tables? First of all, there are 3 core parts. One is a rung. Rung are specially used for cutting large boards. The other is the side block. We also call it vertical. Many people don't know how to use this. In this case, we use some small vertical bars and small square bars. If we want to cut it according to the specifications, generally, it is cut with a vertical gear. Another one is the sliding table. The sliding table is the heart of the whole sliding table saw. Why do you say that? Because of your accuracy. It is very directly related to the sliding table. So when you roll out a 3-meter sliding table, is it smooth or not? Very important. Let's take a look again. Then the sliding table saw also has a heart part. The heart part is what we call the entire base. This base has a large saw blade. Small saw. First of all, large saw blades are generally 300 and 350 in diameter. The small saw blade usually 120. The straightness of the small saw blade needs to be adjusted to be in line with the big saw blade. This is the same as the electronic saw. So this is a split blade. Prevent material entrapment, especially when you're cutting solid wood sometimes. Because once the solid wood is cut, it will produce sawdust. It will form later material entrapment. Will cause burning of the saw blade. The wood will burn black. Then this, it's the heart of what we call a sliding table saw.